This on the charger. Oh, look at it. What's the difference of? It's the same one. Charger on the Civic. On the
Because you have a call line 4, Jacob, you have a call line 4.
the charger up on the. Like wall connector. Like wall connector, wall mount. Wall connector. Hello guys, Gorio. Hey, there's included on your charger too. If you see the not Tesla charger, just plug this one just in case, the beginner. Just connect this one on the regular normal charging center. If not Tesla, don't forget to bring this one all the time. That's a mistake for the beginner like me. I went to the airport and I see a charger there, and I'm still confused. What's happening? How come it's not working? Don't forget this one. This is the connector. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.